Hello, welcome to Kelvin's Kitchen. On today's episode, we're making Vietnamese fresh spring rolls. Stay tuned, coming right up. Before we make the spring rolls, we are going to make a dipping sauce. You need 1 teaspoon of peanut butter, 1 teaspoon of hoisin sauce. In a separate container, add 1 teaspoon of sugar and 2 teaspoons of water. Dissolve the sugar in the water. Mix your peanut butter and your hoisin sauce. Add the sugar water to your peanut butter and hoisin sauce and mix it well. Set it aside. To make Vietnamese spring rolls, you need spring roll wrappers. You can find the wrappers at your local Vietnamese store, or you can order them through Amazon. I will put a link down below. For each spring roll, I am using 1½ shrimp. I cook the shrimp by boiling them in water for about 2 minutes. Make sure that they're clean and deveined. Cut your shrimp in half, like so. In warm water, soak in your spring roll wrapper for just a second. Take it right out. On a clean surface, lay out your spring roll wrapper. Begin by adding some lettuce, bean sprouts, fresh bay leaves, fresh cilantro, and you need rice noodles for these spring rolls. Make sure you cook the rice noodles as per the direction on the package. Add some cooked rice noodles, and the last thing would be the shrimp. Lay the shrimp out on the very top edge just for presentation. Begin to roll like so, just as if you were rolling a burrito. Do this for each spring roll. These spring rolls are super easy to make and very healthy. Highly recommended. We love them here. Let's give it a try. Oh wow, this looks so good. They taste so good. I love them. Guys, if you enjoyed this recipe, please consider subscribing. Check out other recipes, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Thanks for watching.